The Coocom CarPlay CP11 boasts an impressive 11.26-inch high-definition Incell touchscreen, offering remarkable clarity and responsiveness even under direct sunlight. This device features wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, providing a seamless integration with your smartphone for an enhanced driving experience without the hassle of complex wiring. The built-in 4K dashcam with Wi-Fi connectivity and ultra-wide angle ensures you capture clear and detailed footage, adding an extra layer of safety during your journeys. Equipped with a 1080p backup camera, it offers enhanced reverse assistance with night vision and waterproof capabilities for safe maneuvering in any condition. With intelligent voice control, you can manage navigation, calls, and music hands-free, keeping your focus on the road for a safer driving environment. Installation is straightforward, with no need for radio removal or dashboard modifications, making it a versatile fit for most vehicles and supported by a 1-year warranty.